Today, we're taking the classic Ikura Gunkan and taking it to the next level with this one ingredient. First, cure your salmon roe. For the nori, I fold the sheet in half and then divide those into thirds. Wet your hands with some tezu. Grab your usual 15 grams of seasoned rice and shape it into a log. Wrap it nicely with the prepared nori and get it onto the plate. Nice. The rice should take up about 3/4 of the band. Top it with the salmon roe. And now for the secret ingredient. It's frozen Ankimo, which is monkfish liver. It's rich, buttery, and very similar to foie gras. The frozen texture gives it a snow-like texture that's going to be incredible here. Super excited? Let's have a taste. Wow, that's incredible. The combination of the salty and briny ikura with the rich and creamy flavor of the Ankimo is next level.
Wow.
The texture of the grated Ankimo adds an interesting contrast to the smoothness of the ikura. It's almost like a buttery and savory snow cone. 10 out of 10.